Hello, today I am going to show you how to make a miniature bonsai, and this is another project that you can add to your garden collection. Here are the materials that you need. First, we are going to make an armature. Cut wire about 15 cm long or more if you need to. Bend one end of the wire about 6 cm and intertwine it to about 2 cm. This will be the first root. Now take the longer side of the wire, bend and twist it towards the first root and again about 2 cm long. You can also make it longer if you like. This will be the second root. Make the same step to make the third root. Remember to always twist towards the inner direction. And then lastly, intertwine the remaining wire with the other wire to make the trunk. You can bend and curve the trunk to make a cascading loop later on. Next, cover the wire with polymer clay. Make sure that you cover the roots and the trunk. You can remove some of the excess clay if you think the trunk or the roots are too thick. Use the ball of your stylus to shape and sculpt the tree. Once you are done sculpting, attach the root to the rock. To make the tree more secure to the rock, you can add an additional clay on the rock. This will help them hold together and avoid any gaps between the root and the rock. And then once everything is in place, make some lines on the tree. If you see some wires coming out, don't worry about it because we will be painting the tree later on. And then when you are done, bake and let it cool. As you can see, I already have a ready-made pot. You can also make your own pot from cardstock or even metal sheet. Now, mix glue and soil together and put some of it on the pot. Place the rock on the glue mixture and add more of the mixture if necessary. And then next, paint it. Here I am using two colors only, a brown paint and also a green paint. I first painted the tree with brown color and then I set it aside and let it dry. Once the brown paint is dry, paint some part of the trunk, soil, and rock with green. The soil and rock should not be covered with all green. So just select the area where you want your green to be. We want to have an impression of a mossy soil and rock. Now to add the leaves, you need to select the smallest part of the moss, like this one. It's like they look more compact and much more nice to look at than the other part of the moss, like this one. So I hope you see the difference of what I am talking about. So just cut your selected moss and then we are going to glue them on the trunk. When you glue the moss, make sure that they are glued both on the upper part and the lower part of the trunk, and then compress them together to look more compact. And that's our bonsai project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and start making your own miniature bonsai. Don't forget to click subscribe and get notified for new videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye!